وياكم مسألة من مركز تنمية الإبداع الدولي في العراق. هذا الفيديو هو لشرح لمادة اللغة الإنجليزية للصف الأول الابتدائي. So let's start our lesson. So go to your student book. روحوا على كتاب الطالب، كتاب الملون. Go to page 6 صفحة 6 بكتاب الطالب. Today we're going to talk about the first letter in the alphabet. راح نتكلم اليوم عن أول حرف باللغة الإنجليزية اللي هو حرف ال A. What's the sound of this letter? شنو صوت هذا الحرف? And what are the words that start with this letter? شنو الكلمات اللي تبدأ بهذا الحرف? In order to know this, let's listen to the audio of this lesson. خلينا نسمع الأوديو اللي راح يعلمني شلون صوت هذا الحرف وشنو الكلمات اللي تبدأ بهذا الحرف. Let's listen. So listen carefully.
Track 2. Listen and look at the board.
A. Apple. Ant. A. Apple. Ant.
Now listen and say them after me.
Now listen and say them after the audio. حنكرر بعد الأوديو. Listen.
A.
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 Apple.
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 Ant.
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 Listen and say them again.
Now listen and say them again.
A. 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 Apple.
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 Ant.
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 Good. So we've already listened to the audio which explains what's the sound of this letter. So شو صوت هذا الحرف؟ صوت هذا الحرف اللي هو حرف ال A. 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 A is for what? A الكلمات مثل شنو؟ Like apple, apple, and ant. Ant. So apple and ant, both of them start with the letter A. اثنيناتهم يبدأون بحرف ال A. Let's just remember again what's the sound of the letter A. It's A. A. So now we know how do we pronounce this letter. عرفنا شلون نلفظ هذا الحرف. Now let's move to the writing of this letter. خلينا ننتقل لكتابة هذا الحرف. How do we write it? كيف نكتب هذا الحرف? As you know, مثل ما تعرفون in English we have 4 lines. عندنا 4 خطوط للكتابة باللغة الإنجليزية. 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you can see مثل ما تشوفون this is the capital A. هذا ال A الكبير. It stands on 3 lines. مكتوب على 3 أسطر. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. While the small a بينما A الصغيرة it stands on 2 lines. تدل على سطرين فقط اللي هما 2 and 3. As you can see مثل ما تشوفون that the capital A it's totally different from from the small a. ال A الكبيرة تختلف تماما عن ال A الصغيرة. Okay. Now let's see how do we write the capital A. مثل ما تشوفون هنا أنا عندي. Let's just draw a dot. خلينا نرسم في النقطة للبدء. We will start from this dot. نبدأ من هذه النقطة. And we go down with the direction of this arrow. باتجاه هذا السهم. And then again we start again from the same point, من the same dot. نبدأ من نفس هذه النقطة. And we go down again. And we draw this line. This is capital A. What about small a? Okay, as we said مثل ما قلنا small a it stands on two lines على فقط سطران اثنين فقط اللي هما 2 and 3. We start from this dot. Let's draw a dot. نرسم نقطة على السطر الثاني and we go with the direction of this arrow. نتجه باتجاه هذا المؤشر أو هذا السهم. We go up and then we go left and we go then down and right again like this. What's the sound of the letter A? A. A. A is for what? A is for apple and ant. Apple and ant. Okay? So this is simply how do we write the letter A. Let's go back again to your student book. نرجع مرة ثانية لكتاب الستودنت. As you can see here, we can see two characters. شوفوا هنا شخصيتان من الكتاب اللي عندكم. This one we call it Robbie. He's a robot. هذا Robbie. And this boy, هذا الولد, his name is Ahmed. As you can see, they are greeting each other. واحد يحيي الآخر. And whenever we want to greet someone, بنحاول إنه نحيي شخص, we say hello. Hello. So Ahmed said to Robbie hello, and Robbie answered hello. Try to say this word after me. Hello. Hello. What can you see in this picture? I can see apples. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see another apple? Yeah, I can see there another apple. So here we have 5 apples in this photo. What else? What can you see in this photo? Something starts with the letter A. شيء يبدأ بحرف ال A. Can you see it? Yes. Here we have so many ants. Let's count them. Let's see how many ants do we have here. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 8 ants. What's the sound of the letter A again? It's A. Like an apple and ant. Now let's move to the activity book. خلينا ننتقل لكتاب النشاط اللي هو الكتاب يكون غير ملون. So go to page 2. اذهبوا لصفحة 2 بكتاب النشاط. Here what do we have? Here we have an exercise. إن هنا نشاط أو تمرين. It's about tracing. Trace means أرسم على الأثر. So we're going to trace small a. حنرسم على أثر حرف ال A صغير. We will start from this red dot. راح نبدأ من هذه النقطة الحمراء. And then we will go with the direction of this arrow. راح نتجه باتجاه هذا السهم. Up and down. Let's just try again. We draw a dot. And we will start. Here we go, up and down. This is a small a. Here we have another trace, okay, here. Starting from the dot, and then we go back to the same dot and go down. Again, from the black one. أنا عندي نقطة سوداء ننطلق من عندها ونتجه ونمشي على الخط نفسه نصعد ننزل. This is a small a. Small a. What's the sound of the letter A? A. Good. Next, what do we have here? Here we have color. What do you mean by color? Yes, it means لون. Let's color this word. خلينا نلون هذه الكلمة. Do you know what is it? What is it? It's hello. Hello. Yes. Let's color it. خلينا نلونها. I'm going to pick the green, okay? And you're free, you can choose any color. أحرار تقدرون تختارون أي لون يعجبكم. So I'm going to color it with green. This is the H-E-L-L-O. Hello. Nice. Now let's move to activity 3. Here what do we have? Again, here we have a trace and color. نرسم على الأثر واللون. What do we have here? You know what do we have here? Yes, here we have bear. Bear means dog. And we're going to trace its ears. Okay. It's a bear. And we're going to color it. Okay, I'm going to pick the brown one. Okay, I'm going to color it with the brown. Okay. I'm not good at coloring. So, let's move now to the next photo. Here we have here we have shoes, okay? And we're going to color it with black. Okay, so these are black shoes. So, we reached the end of this lesson.